96.90 po ang huling 40 segundo. 10 puntos ang TNT. Bibigay pa ho ba ang labang ito? O makakatabla po ang TNT para po sa ika-6 na laban para sa Commissioner's Cup dito lamang po sa PBA at 50.
This clock starts to go down. I might want to just let them go to the foul line and take 2 shots. You know,
yan po ang laban noong June 3, 2026 sa Aranet.
hit that 4-point shot.
Nakita natin na grabe ang performance ni JB Justin Brownie. 54 points nung game 5 po. Grabe, kaya lamang po sa Commissioners game 6 na ito ang TNT para po sa 96-90. Makakahirit ba ang TNT na to mula sa 40 points o 40 seconds na meron po silang 6 points advantage? Tingnan natin.
They did foul in the end game. Force those free throws. Let's see if TNT will do the same.
Yan po ang attendance.
I don't know what they don't do it this early.
22,731 ang complete attendance dito po sa Araneta Coliseum. June 14 para sa Game 6 ng PBA Commissioners Cup na defending champion po ang TNT. Makakairit ba ang TNT? Yes! Tingnan natin po sa nalalabing 4 na segundo. 40 segundo.
How will they defend Brown?
He's got Pogoy on him right now. Archie makes a move, throws to the basket. Point broken up by McCullough.
That's exactly what TNT needed. Break up that timeout, though.
And that's precious. 2 seconds taken away. And again,
38 seconds po ang nalalabi. Naman pa rin po ang TNT ng 6 na puntos. 96 over 90.
Coach Tim.
38 seconds na lang po ang nalalabi. Laban pa po ang TNT.
1v9 Game 7 sa kasaysayan ng PBA. This already gonna head into number 30. Brownlee for 3. Got to his spot.
Hindi po pumasok. Nakuha po ng TNT. Yan po. Tumatakbo po ang TNT. 6 na puntos ang kalamangan para po sa last 26 seconds. Oh, hindi na po kakampi ng Ginebra ang oras. Yes, there will be a game 7 on Wednesday, June 15, 16, 17. June 17 po. Sapagkat 3 days from now para sa last and final game. Live po tayo. 96-90.
Ang batang burning that clock. DMV on their way to forcing a Game 7 against Barangay Nebra. Same scenario last season.
Oh, 15 seconds na lamang po ang nalalabi. Laban pa rin po talaga ang TNT. 96 over 90. Ito po ang free throw.
Nothing short of a miracle can pull this out para sa Barangay Nebra.
Well, Coach Tim had to use a lot of timeouts just to keep his team in the game.
Those 3 straight timeouts in the third quarter. Both in the second and third half that divided.
Para po sa ikalawa. Yes, 98-90. Last 15 seconds. Sorry po. Para sa Ginebra. Ayun na, tumira pa. Oh, hindi po pumasok. Last 2 seconds. Tumira po. Oh. There will be a Game 7 on Wednesday. Live para po sa PBA at 50. Game 6 po, tied ang laban ng TNT at Ginebra San Miguel. 3 against 3. 98-90. Congratulations po para sa TNT Probang Texter. Ako, nakahirit po si Chris McCallum.
30th Game 7 in the history of the PBA. It's gonna be a bloodbath, Coach Ron.
Yeah, hats off to McCullough.
Congratulations TNT, nakahirit po ng isa pa.
He did that.
Kaya tayo na po ngayon ang laban 3 against 3 para po sa Game 6 ng PBA Commissioners Cup. Chris,
See 3 big ones lead.
When you look at Chris McCullough, 53 points, 22 rebounds, he was playing every single inch of the court. They needed a big shot in the fourth quarter. He delivered with that 3-point shot. They needed rebounds. He was able to get
tinapatan po niya pero kinulang po siya ng 1 points para po sa record ni
basketball game.
JB Justin Brownie na 54 points. Congratulations po.
To be able to extend this series to a game 7.
Ang pinakamasaya dyan,
Congratulations.
silang dalawa